In this video, I'll show you a pocket option easy strategy that you can start to use right after watching this video. And if you want to copy my trades automatically into your pocket option account by using the social trading feature of pocket option, you can copy trades like these without trading yourself. If you want to do so, then I have a link in the description and the first comment of this YouTube video. You can click on it and join my free Telegram channel and read the instructions there on how you can start to copy my trades automatically into your pocket option account. Now, without doing any delay, let's get started. I'll log into my another account and show you exactly this easy strategy that you can start to use right after watching this video. So first step would be to make all of this currency pair favorite that has over 90% payout. Just click on these stars in this way and all of this currency pair will start to appear at the top in this way. So let me quickly make all of these currency pair appear at the above, so that it can give us a easy access to all charts while we are making our trades with this easy strategy. So let's do it quickly. So okay, we're fine with these much charts. Okay, now the second thing you need to do is you need to click on these candles and select this candle. Okay, and select S5. Okay, and if your timer is not enabled, I would suggest you to enable this timer in your chart. Okay, so that this kind of 5, 4, 3 timer shows. Once you do this much, then if it is flag at here, make it clock and click on here and select S5 as your trading time frame. So now what happened? Your candle is also 5 seconds and your trading time frame is also going to be a 5 seconds. Now decide the amount you want to invest in each trade. So let's say we are going to invest like $200 in each trade. Now what you need to do is you need to click on these indicators and click on Parabolic SAR. So this indicator will give you the easy way to make trades. So whenever the parabolic dots are below the candle, that means it is an uptrend. And whenever the second dot is about to form, at that time you need to make trade by clicking on higher. Similarly, whenever the parabolic SAR dots are above the candles, that means it is a downtrend. And whenever the second dot is about to form, at that time make trade by clicking on lower. This is the simple strategy that I have been teaching in my YouTube channel, and lots of other people are using it and making good amount of profit. So let's make trade. Now, not all of your trades are going to go right, okay? But most of your trades can go right with this strategy. As you can see, we have already made a profit by using this simple strategy. And I would also suggest you to watch one of my video, which I'm going to show you in the screen right after some time, okay? Where I have shown you by using this exact strategy, and I have turned $10 into $2,500, okay? And with the 100% right trades, okay? I've just been doubling up the amount. Like I have made $10 trade, and then whatever profit came, like if $9 profit have came, then I have invested $19, okay? And whatever profit in that way, I was doubling and I have made like $2,500 in like 10 trades, I think. So let's try to find another. Here you can see here you could have made trade, okay, by clicking on higher, and this trade could have gone wrong. Now not all of your trades can go right, okay? And also one important thing, okay, like when you are making this kind of trades, then sometimes what happens, you will not get the good place to make the trades. Like sometimes candles will go suddenly above, below, okay? We have made a loss at here you can see. And what happens is, like due to the short time frame, you cannot exactly enter in the right place, okay? And in that way also you could have made loss while making this by using this strategy, okay? And another thing, one of the most important thing that I recommend, some people start to use this strategy and they say I get so much low win rate. Now what happens is, you, before trading in your real account, firstly you need to switch in demo account and test this strategy, okay? And if it is working in the real time while you are making trades on demo account, then only start to use it in your real account, okay? Because no any strategy or indicator works for the 100% of the time. So you need to be focused on when any indicator or strategy is working. So here you can see suddenly this candle came down, okay, and we made a trade at here. However, we could have made trade in here also, okay, but still we have made profit. This kind of things happen while using this strategy. So be very careful and trade wisely. And this is, I think, one of the easiest pocket option strategy that I am giving to all of the people. and in the screen you can see where I have made $10 to $20, sorry, $2,500 video. You can click on it anywhere at here, it will be appearing. Okay, just click on it and enjoy that video too.